Filipino community and non-Indigenous.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Edna Ballesteros. I'm working in the automotive industry. As a factory worker, I don't even know what I'm gonna say. But first of all, I would like to thank our dear God for guiding us all the way. Also, after a lot of challenges, want to pay your never give up, especially my husband. Because we do believe that ECN will give us a chance, quality time, and financially free. As long as you believe in God, it will happen. So again, thank you so much. God bless you all.
Wow! Are you excited? I am excited. But I'm speechless right now, but my English is broken, but I will try anyway. Uh, First of all, I'd like to thank our Lord Jesus Christ, our great provider. Second of all, my wife, who is very supportive. And third of all, my mentor, Mr. Nathan Goldberg,
Are they in your team? Your team? He's my mentor.
Rolando Daita, and Ramon. And lastly, the great leaders, amazing leaders in ACN, in Toronto. Thank you so much for inspiring us every day, day in and day out. And of course, I'm a product of ECN. I don't have any business background. The only thing I know when I was young is to sell lemonade. That's my business background, to sell lemonade. But what I know is ECN gave me the chance to change my life. And I hold that promise. I heard it from our great President, Greg Provenzano said, if you put only your mind and your heart in the right place, you will be successful. And I put that mind and my heart in the right place. This is the right place. Thank you so much. My team, especially here. Thank you so much for believing in me and believing in the system and believing in ACN. Thank you.
Congratulations.